Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with BoxyCharm, which I noticed the box is bigger, even though this is just the regular one. But this is the one I think that went up to $25, I believe. And then I think they're going to be sending us a couple samples of foundation to swatch every month or something like that.
Which they should do for that price.
I think, but I could be mistaken. But we'll find out.
How are you guys doing? It's another work day for us, so I'm super tired. Happy Veterans to all the veterans out there. Thank you for serving in our military.
Looks like that when you open it.
And cool box.
Yeah, it does have this little card.
Oh yeah, it has the thing you were talking about. I see it right there.
And I will give this to her. She wants to read any of it. Okay, there you go. So yeah, as I mentioned, I'm pretty sure they said they were going to be sending us well, this is concealer, but like samples of something to try out so we could find our shade. I think it was this company anyway. And if so, this is what they sent, so I can try those colors and see which one matches
I think
best.
that's a good idea.
But I don't think it's like, can you make sure it's not one of the, is it one of the items or considered? No, I don't think so.
No.
Yeah, no. So this isn't one of the items, you know, and again, this box I think is a couple bucks more, but okay,
so much on this card. I'm like, geez.
Other than that, the first thing I'm technically pulling out then, I guess, is Starry Eyes, the World's Kindest Eye Mask Indulgent Self-Warming Eye Mask. Oh, that sounds nice.
Yeah, these self-heating pot masks will encourage circulation around the eye area and aid in depuffing and relaxing. You may find that they can help ease migraines, soothe dry eyes, and support restful sleep. Once the pouch is open, the eye mask will start to gently warm. Pop the loops around your ears. Sit back and relax. That's pretty cool.
That's cool. Okay. I mean, it sounds nice. Okay. Second thing I'm pulling out is BoxyCharm
2-piece brush set.
Yeah, I guess. I mean, it looks like that, but I'll open up so you guys can.
It says, create your favorite looks in total luxury with our first ever BoxyCharm branded brush set. I can't speak, gosh. The large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products. And the foundation brush has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free.
So they are definitely soft, but yeah, they're very like non, you know, like I can't. What did it say they were good for? Because
it says liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products.
Usually mine have like more flexibility, I guess.
Yeah.
Kind of. It's kind of like feels like kind of stiff,
So
even though
the
they're soft.
Brush, and
but
the foundation brush, which is the foundation.
The little. I mean, I'll try them, I guess.
They're unique.
Give them a go.
Glad they're coming out with their own brush sets finally. That's cool. First for everything.
Okay, and then the next thing I am pulling out is Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in Flirty.
It says our liquid matte lipstick has a velvety high fashion matte finish which envelops lips in rich long wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish.
Okay, next thing is Juice Beauty's The Organic Solution Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment.
Full size.
It feels like it is.
A proprietary blend of fruit stem cells and vitamin C infused with organic antioxidant-rich botanical juices work to reduce the appearance of fine lines around the eyes and minimize the appearance of dark circles. That was in one breath. Okay.
Yeah, so it seems like it's full size. Does it say
it doesn't? It doesn't on here like say. It just says like normally $50 for the full price. But yeah. So that, I mean, it's huge.
This is as big as like
I know. That's what I mean. Like
serum and moisturizer over there. Okay, and then I think this is the last thing, if I'm not mistaken. Is Celestial Thunder
by Dominique Cosmetics.
Yeah. And I probably can figure out if I can open that so I can show you guys.
So Celestial Thunder is an explosion of vivid pigments, shadows, and glittery foils with 8 uniquely formulated shades for a creative, colorful eye look or a simple pop of electric color. These vibrantly made shades tell a cosmic story and bring the universe to life.
Maybe I'll let you do it because you seem better at it than me. So this one definitely we'll put in the giveaway.
They're pretty. They're so pretty.
Because even though there's a pink, I mean, other than that,
I was like, there's
the other ones,
I don't want the one thing to fall off.
I may not wear. So we'll definitely put that in one of our giveaways.
It's so pretty.
Yeah. So I mean, I like
there's a plastic on there, so it's still safe.
Everything that came in, I like.
Yay.
So
I like that they give her the options of little
good job, BoxyCharm.
So yay. I know the card had more things on the back that said up to 80% off by November 12th, or starting November 12th. Sorry, if you go to BoxyCharm.com/BoxyPop-Up, and then it says Boxy Pop-Up is now every 3 months. Boxy Luxe, it says like you can get 8 full-size prestige beauty things. It just has a lot of information like right there. So lots of stuff to read. But if you thought this video was still fast enough, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. And if you haven't done so already, join our current giveaway. We'll put the link down below. Of course, you have to be subscribed, and we love all our subscribers. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.